Two productivity giants face off, Asana versus ClickUp. Which one really delivers? On the left, Asana, the intuitive project manager trusted by teams worldwide. And on the right, ClickUp, the customizable powerhouse promising to replace them all. We're putting them through real-life productivity tests, collaboration, features, pricing, ease of use, and a lot more. Let's skip the buzzwords and dive into what actually matters to your workflow. Each category is scored, so you'll see exactly who earns the win, point by point. And the final verdict, point. And the final verdict might seriously surprise you. Let's get into it. Real quick, here's the lay of the land. We'll compare Asana and ClickUp on a bunch of areas: pricing, features and customization, integrations, ease of use and design, mobile experience, collaboration, and, yeah, we can't forget reporting and analytics. Nothing's off limits. Let's kick it off with pricing. Now, Asana does have a nice free plan and even tosses in non-profit discounts, which is thoughtful, right? But when you climb up to those premium plans, ouch, they can sting a little. ClickUp though? I don't know how they do it, but their free forever plan is super generous, and honestly, you just get more for your money on paid tiers. There are advanced features locked away, but you still come out ahead. So if your wallet's top of mind, ClickUp's got this round. Moving on, features and customization. Asana, it's got fantastic task and project views, and their automations are smooth, but if you want wild customization, there's only so far you can go. ClickUp, on the other hand, is a total playground for customization. Seriously, you can do list view, boards, Gantt charts, built-in docs, and the automations, crazy advanced. I'm warning you though, all those options, they can get a bit overwhelming at first. Still, for those who love tinkering, ClickUp just runs away with it here. Alright, what about integrations? Here's where Asana gets flexy. It connects to over 100 apps you know, Slack, Google, Teams, Zapier, all that, and if you like playing with APIs, you're set. But, small catch, some of the advanced stuff can get pricey. ClickUp, lots of built-ins, integrates with Zapier, a solid showing. I gotta say, some users have grumbled about sync hiccups every now and then, so here, Asana's taking the win no question. Oh, and here's something cool I just learned. Did you know Asana's founders were actually engineers at Facebook back in the day? Wild origin story, right? Just adds another layer to the whole rivalry. Now, let's talk user experience, ease of use, and design. Asana has this really clean, super intuitive vibe. You want to get your team set up in an hour? This is probably your friend. Downside? If you're a power user, you might find it a little basic. ClickUp, meanwhile, packs in a ton. You get all the dashboards and gadgets, but it's a lot. The interface gets busy and there's definitely a steeper learning curve. Still, for most teams wanting a chill, simple setup, Asana is taking the cake in this category. Let's hit mobile experience. Both apps, honestly, pretty solid on your phone. Asana's got reliable apps for iOS and Android, plus you get offline access, which is honestly handy. Occasionally, it lags. ClickUp, loads of features, even mobile push notifications, but sometimes trying to do everything on a tiny screen can be kinda clunky. At the end of the day, they're neck and neck here. Okay, collaboration time. Both platforms are strong here. Real-time updates and excellent for hybrid or totally remote crews. Asana keeps things simple, but you'll need a paid plan if you want next-level management tools. ClickUp throws in all the bells and whistles, team chat, super granular permissions, sharing docs, but weirdly, all those features can actually slow down onboarding, so it's honestly a dead heat for teamwork. Finally, reporting and analytics. Asana covers the basics: productivity charts, live project reports. But if you're into deep dives or wild data, you'll probably feel boxed in. ClickUp? Now that's where all those dashboards and custom widgets come alive. Tons of control, but yeah, it can take some tinkering to get just right. So, ClickUp scores the win here. If you look at the scores side by side, there's a pretty clear pattern. ClickUp edges ahead mostly on customization and features, but Asana really holds up on simplicity and integrations. It's closer than you might think though, which is honestly fascinating. So here's my take. If you want a platform that's straightforward, easy to learn, and just gets everyone working fast, pick Asana. But if you're after maximum flexibility, want your project tool to do basically everything except make coffee, and don't mind spending some time setting it up, then ClickUp's your best bet. For most tech-forward or fast-growing companies, honestly, ClickUp wins overall, just thanks to those extra features and better value. Alright, if you found this comparison useful, don't forget to join us for the next one. We've always got new insight coming